Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for again watching Ragai's Weird Wacky UAP Phenomenon. So, some of you may have heard the Valley of Strange Lights. In the heat of the central Norway, nestled between rugged mountains, lies a quiet and remote valley. A place of serene beauty, but also the stage for one of the most enduring scientific mysteries of our time. This is the Hessdalen Valley, and for decades its skies have been home to something extraordinary, something unexplained. They call them the Hessdalen Lights. So what are they? Imagine standing in the cold, crisp Norwegian air, looking up into the darkness, and suddenly a light appears. It's not a star, and it's not a plane. Sometimes it's a brilliant, hovering orb, glowing white, yellow, blue, or even deep red. It might stay perfectly still for over an hour, a silent sentinel in the night sky. Other times it's a flash of energy streaking across the valley at impossible speeds, performing maneuvers that defy our understanding of physics. These lights can pulsate, they can appear in formations, and most strangely, they almost always completely silent. Sightings go back to the 1940s, but the early 1980s something changed. The activity intensified dramatically, with dozens of reports every week. The people of Hessdalen were living in a genuine enigma right outside their windows. The world stared to notice. This wasn't just folklore. The sheer volume and consistency of the sightings demanded the scientific response. In 1983, researchers established Project Hessdalen. They arrived with cameras, radars, spectrographs, magnetometers, determined to capture and analyze this phenomenon. They were not disappointed. Their instruments confirmed it. The lights were real. They were a physical, measurable event. But what was causing them? This is the question that has led to a fascinating clash of scientific theories. One of the leading hypotheses is the plasma theory. Think of the valley as if it's a giant natural body. The geology here is unique. The river divides rocks rich in copper on one side from rocks rich in zinc and iron on the other. This geological setup, combined with the sulfurous river water, could create an electrical field, charging the air and dust until it ignites into a ball of glowing electrified gas, a plasma. Another possibility lies deep within the rock itself. The valley stones are filled with quartz crystals. When these crystals are squeezed under intense geological pressure from subtle tectonic shifts, for instance, they can generate an electrical charge. This is a real phenomenon called piezoelectricity. Could these geological stretches be creating sparks that manifest as lights in the atmosphere? Some of the other theories that to kind of go on here is the radioactive decay of radon gas. Others wonder if it's combustion of rare airborne dust, perhaps containing elements like scandium left over from the valley's old mines. And then on another part, there's perhaps another side to the story, the human side. The accounts from people who have lived under these strange skies for generations. They speak of lights that seem to react to their presence, that performs seemingly intelligent maneuvers. These personal stories, while not scientific data, point a picture of a phenomenon that is captivating as it is baffling. Today, if you were still to go down there, you would probably bump into a few of these lights yourself. The mystery of the Hessdalen Lights endeavors. It's a powerful reminder that in our own modern world of satellites and instant information, there are still pockets of the unknown. Natural phenomenon that challenge us and spark our imagination.